5 signs if she really like you. If she like you, she will do this that I want to disclose in this video. Any woman or lady that genuinely love you will do these 5 things. So before I disclose 5 things, I want to tell you that you are most welcome to this channel, and you are welcome in the name of the Most High God. This channel is for men, natural ways to keep men, both dating, relationship advice for both men and women. So join us once again by subscribing, turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new upload. So if you are dating a woman and you want to know if she truly loves you, these are the genuine signs that improves she really like you. Any woman that genuinely loves you must do these things that I want to share in this video. Number 1, a lady that loves you will always come around you. Yes, she will always come around you. That is a great sign that she truly loves you. Anywhere you are, she will like to come around you, because coming around you makes her feel happy. Coming around you makes her feel accepted among, because of the love she has for you. Attraction is making her to come. That shows that she genuinely loves you. So any woman that don't love you will never come around you, but anyone that loves you will genuinely be coming around just to see you, because inside her she feel like she want to have you and have you alone. That is a great sign that she genuinely love you. Number 2 is she will initiate contact and always call you. Yes, a woman that genuinely love you will initiate contact. What do I mean by this? She will ask for your number, so that even if she is unfortunate to see you, she will call you to hear your voice. And to call you will never be her problem. She will always call you, so that you will have her in mind. You will know that she truly loves you. You will know that she wants you, not for anything, but for genuine love. She will use call to disorganize yourself. So a woman that loves you will always call you. And if she don't have your number, she will initiate contact. She will ask for your number, so that she will always call. Even if you call her, fine. If you don't call her, she will never bother. She will always put call through to know how you are feeling, where you are, and what you are doing. This is a sign of a genuine love. So that is it. Number 3 is she will always respect you. Yes, a woman that loves you will always respect you. She will obey your rules and regulations. She will do anything you order her to do or you authorize her to do. She will never do anything that will make you angry or infuriate you. That is a sign that she genuinely loves you. So any woman that loves you will do what you want, just to make you happy, and to make sure that you are not fighting back, to make sure that you are not angry with her. This is a sign of a genuine love. A woman that don't love you will make you to be angry. She don't care. But a woman that loves you will never try anything that will make you angry, so that you will be with her and be for her alone. This is a sign that she wants you. Number 4, which is also important, is she will encourage and support you. Yes, a woman that genuinely loves you will encourage you to achieve your goal, to get what you want, to get or achieve your goal. That is a sign of a good woman. When a good woman comes into your life, things will start working. You will start seeing your business will start growing, because she will proffer solution to increase your sales, to increase your business, and to make things to start working in your life. That is a sign of a good woman. And a good woman loves her partner. And if a woman loves you, she will do this. she will encourage you, support you financially, in prayers and in things that will help you to achieve what you want. But a woman that don't love you will never even care to do any of this. But the one that loves you will give you what you want and encourage you to achieve your goal in life. Number 5 and the last, which is very important to take note of, is she will compliment and praise you all the times. Yes, anytime both of you stay together, she will like to notice something good. Either that your eyes are big and she will claim that she like it, or your head is big, she will still claim that she like it. All these are compliments and praises. She will say that you are very handsome, just to let you know that she is feeling you, she loves you, and she want to be with you. But a woman that don't love you never care. That woman that hates you will never even notice anything about you. But a woman that loves you will notice, even if there is a little change in your life, she will know and notice and say it out. This shows that she really like you, or she genuinely love you. And this is what I want to share in this video. I hope you get value. Support us by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your loved ones. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.